Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Chevy Tahoe Premium. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 5.3 V8 with 355 horsepower. 22-inch wheels, running boards, Tahoe badging on the door, black leather interior, sunroof, rear captain's chairs, rear seat entertainment, rear climate controls, Tahoe Premier badging, power liftgate, clean set all season floor mats, fold down third row seating, blind spot assist, power windows, Bose sound system, power seats, heads-up display, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, radio, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, USB ports, wireless charging for your phone. This Tahoe has 46,383 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the Chevy Tahoe Premier, visit us at feldmannimports.com.